with these awards. You guys look amazing. How are you feeling? Good? How are you guys feeling? Have our bets changed? Yes? No? Alright, okay, so we're going to announce our top 11. 11, right? 11. Okay. First up, we have Ilocano India.
Filipino Community of India.
Is Lugay.
Lugay, Isang-Isang
Making their way into the top 11, everybody give it up for Bacolod.
Bacolod City.
Please welcome Moncada.
Moncada,
Welcome to the top 11, Isabel. second last place, making it to the top 11, Coronadal.